And now to a news that is still developing. You have at least 2 people who've lost their lives after the Chandigarh-Dibrugarh Express derailed in Uttar Pradesh's Gonda. You have more than 20 others who've been injured in this mishap. A lot of them right now recuperating in the local hospital there. The Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath has also directed officials to reach the incident spot, and the rescue and the relief operations are underway as we speak.
चंडीगढ़ डिब्रूगढ़ ट्रेन है, ये डिरेल हो गई है। इसके करीब 10-12 डब्बे पटरी से अलग हो गए हैं और 2 डिब्बे इसमें पलट गए हैं। इस सूचना पे तत्काल जो हमारी पुलिस की फोर्स है वो मौके पे पहुंची और हमारी जो फायर ब्रिगेड की टीम है और जो प्रशासन के अधिकारी हैं और डीएम साहब, मैं, कमिश्नर साहब और डीआई साहब यही मौके पे मौजूद है। तत्काल पुलिस द्वारा रेस्क्यू अभियान चलाया गया और घायलों को तत्काल ट्रेन से निकाला गया डब्बों से जो उसमें फंसे हुए थे। यहाँ के जो ग्रामीण हैं उनके द्वारा भी काफ़ी सहायता की गई। अभी तक जो पुष्ट सूचना है उसके अनुसार 2 लोग की इस दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण घटना में मृत्यु हुई है, जिन्हें एम्बुलेंस से भिजवाया गया है और करीब 6 लोग हैं जो थोड़े गंभीर घायल हैं।
गोंडा में एक ट्रेन हादसा हुआ है जो जिलाही के पास है, जहां पर लगभग जो है राजधानी चंडीगढ़ एक्सप्रेस है जो गोंडा से गोरखपुर रेल मार्ग पर जाती है। आप देखिए कितना भीषण हादसा है और जो पूरी बोगी है लगभग 4 बोगी पलटी हुई है और देखेंगे पूरा जो बोगी है वो लटकी हुई है। यहाँ पर लगातार राहत और बचाव कार्य किए जा रहे हैं। पुलिस फोर्स, रेलवे की पुलिस फोर्स, सिविल पुलिस और गोंडा के साथ जीआरपी की पुलिस मौके पर है। यहाँ पर लगातार जो है लोग भी हैं और पुलिस जो है लोग को हटाने का काम कर रही है। अगर कैजुअलिटी की बात किया तो यहाँ पर 2 लोगों की कैजुअलिटी हुई है और 1 दर्जन से अधिक लोग घायल हैं। यहाँ पर डीआईजी भी मौके पर पहुंचे हुए हैं और लगातार राहत बचाव का कार्य किया जा रहा है और अभी पूरी जो ट्रेन है वो बाधित है और लगभग घंटों के प्रयास के बाद यहाँ पर जो रेल सुचारू रूप से हो पाएगा।
Let's also get you more updates as far as the action is concerned. The Ministry of Railways has said that an ex gratia of rupees 10 lakh to the family of the deceased, 2.5 lakhs for those who are seriously injured and 50,000 to those who've sustained minor injuries. And this already has been announced. Apart from the CRS inquiry, you also have a high-level inquiry that has been ordered. But what's really happening on ground zero? What is it that we know about the incident so far? Our colleague Adeep, remember, is at that very spot. Adeep, what is it that you can tell us about what caused this accident in the first place and also the status of those who have sustained injuries? How are they?
Well, Deepthi, what caused the accident is a part of investigation, and Railway has ordered a high-level investigation in which Dibrugarh-Chandigarh Express has derailed. Let me show you first in the visual. This is the particular part of the train that has derailed, and these are the AC compartments, and you can see they have completely derailed, they have overturned. And let me show you also in the visual. You can see these are the windows of the AC compartment, and you can imagine how much people have put up their efforts to break these windows to come out when the train must have derailed at that particular point of time. There are also some broken glasses pieces over there. I'll ask my video to show. So you can see the effort that people must have put up to come out of this train when the train have derailed at this particular point of time. There are 3 AC coaches which have been completely destroyed. One is at the back side of mine. This is on the right side, and one is at this side. You can see that the NDRF, National Disaster Relief Force, is already here in the rescue and relief operation. They are carrying out rescue and relief operation. Almost the rescue operation has almost ended. Those the passengers, those who were traveling in this particular train, have been shifted, and those injured, they have been shifted to hospitals. We are learning that around 10 people have sustained injuries, which contain some serious injuries and some minor injuries. And I'll show you some more visuals in this. This is the NDRF. They are using gas cutters to cut to remove this 2 compartments from each other, and after which they will remove this part. The main task for the railway is for the restoration of this particular section of the rail track, as it's important rail section that goes all the way from Lucknow to Gorakhpur, and all the rail route has been affected. There are 2 tracks, and this is the side of the railway track. You can see there was supposed to be a railway track, but now it's all gone. So one can imagine the kind of impact that that must have been happened when the train have derailed in Gonda district.
Okay. All right, Adib there getting us the first person account of what really has happened. He, remember, is at that very accident spot right now. Adib, we wish and pray that those who've sustained injuries recover quickly, and yes, a detailed inquiry is warranted. For the moment, thank you so much for getting us that entire coverage. With this, it's also time for us, ladies and gentlemen, to slip into a quick break. On the other side, we are back with lots more.